In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a welcome flow on Klaviyo. A welcome flow is one of the most important automations in email marketing. It is usually the first set of messages a new subscriber receives, so it helps you make a strong first impression, introduce your brand, and guide people toward a first purchase. In Klaviyo, you can build this quickly by starting from a proven template and then turning it on when you are ready. First, open your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand navigation menu. Click Flows. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your automated sequences, including welcome series, abandoned cart flows, and post-purchase follow-ups. Once you are on the Flows page, go to the top right corner and click Create Flow. This opens the Flow library, which is a collection of pre-built templates designed for common use cases. Next, choose a template from the Flow library. For this tutorial, you will pick a welcome series style template. Templates are helpful because they include a recommended structure and basic timing, which saves you time and helps you follow best practices. After selecting your template, you will see a setup modal. Here, you will select a trigger. The trigger is the event that causes someone to enter the flow, like joining a list or becoming a subscriber. Make sure you pick the trigger that matches how you are collecting signups, since this is what determines who receives the welcome messages. When your trigger is selected, click Use Template to enter the flow builder. Now you will be on the canvas, where the flow is laid out visually. Before you activate anything, take a moment to confirm you are in the right flow and that it is set up the way you expect. When you are ready to enable it, go to the top right of the canvas and click Review and Turn On. This is the final activation step for the full flow. In the status dropdown, select Live. Live means the flow will start sending to new people who meet the trigger conditions. Finally, click Update Status again to confirm and save. At this point, your welcome flow is active and will run automatically for new subscribers going forward. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.